Hey there, ladies and gentlemen. This is David Salazar, and we received a question today, and I wanted to answer that briefly. Put it in a video so that you guys were informed as well. I want to kind of talk to you about whether or not you should go to the hospital after you've had an accident. So you have four options. The first option is you go to the hospital. The second option is you go to some kind of urgent care, or the third option, you go see your primary care physician. The fourth option, which we do not advise, is that you don't do anything. There's a lot of reasons why. First off, your health. Your health is your primary concern. That is what you should be worried about. I want to kind of tell you a story of one of our clients right now who, his name is Jeff. He went and got into a really bad accident. He tried to be a man's man, which is perfectly normal. And he was like, I'm fine. I just got in this accident and I'm not going to do anything. 24 hours passes. He's like, I'm a little sore, but I'm still not going to do anything. So he held out. 36 hours pass and then 48 hours pass. And he's like, man, I can barely move. I don't know what to do. I really think that I should go to get help. So at this point I told him, like, look, if you don't want to go to the hospital, go to an urgent care. He went to an urgent care. They found out that he had approximately 3 to 4 ruptured discs. So he had discs in his back that actually had ruptures in them, and he'd been trying to walk, work, and basically just live his life with the pain. He ended up having to have surgery because of this. A lot of times, this is very, very common. Whenever you get into an accident and there's moderate damage, you have no idea what's going on in your body, but people usually, just because the nature of people is to try to tough it out. He tried to tough it out and it was not in his best interest to do so. So he basically went 48 hours going through the pain, come to find out he had to have surgery. He elected to have surgery and he ended up getting everything fixed. The reason why I'm telling you this story is because had he actually gone from the moment the accident happened to go to the hospital or to the urgent care, he would have addressed these issues much quicker than had he waited 48 hours to actually find out what was going on. So he was a lucky guy. He found out sooner rather than later. A lot of people wait a lot longer than 48 hours. A lot of people wait weeks. Don't ever wait weeks. That's the worst thing you can do for a lot of reasons. If you wait weeks, an insurance company is going to say, look, you have what's called a gap in treatment. If you never got treatment and then you waited 3 weeks to actually address what was wrong, in the insurance company's eyes, they basically say, you couldn't have been that hurt if you waited 3 weeks to address this. In the alternative, they can also say, look, we don't know what happened in that 3-week period, and you could have gotten hurt in between that time. You could have fallen off a ladder. We don't know what happened. So there's a lot of things they can say that they can defend whenever you wait to actually go get seen. 24 to 48 hours usually passes before you start to feel the pain, before your adrenaline wears off. Follow your body, trust your body, and if you begin to start feeling sore or hurt, go get treated. I cannot stress this enough, ladies and gentlemen. Please, please, please look after your body. Healthy is wealthy. Please follow what your body says and go get treated if you feel like you are hurt. My name is David Salazar. I look forward to seeing you in the next segment. Talk to you soon. Thanks.